What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the View at the Hux World. And today we got a nice trilogy for you all to check out. They're going to be casual watch faces. A couple of them are geared toward fitness, but it's going to be a nice, unique, fresh look, whether it be for the weekend and or for the work week. That's going to totally be up to you. Now, the name of the first watch face is called S.40. I like the look, very simplistic. In AOD mode, you are going to get analog time, which isn't a bad look. But once the watch face is on, you got a nice black background. This red complements it very well, and you got a nice stacked digital time. Now, you get your date down at the bottom. The watch face is not interactive, but remember, all the watch faces that we're going to review today are free as of the taping of this video. Cool? So make sure you download ASAP. All right, with that being said, let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is nice. I like this one for a casual weekend wear or for a simple work week wear. Now, the name of the watch face is called S.18. I like the look and the design of this watch face. Has a fresh, unique look. Now, in AOD mode, you are going to get the same look as you would with the watch face before it. It's going to give you analog time, which is okay with me. Once the watch face is on, I do like this design. It's not a bad design at all. You can't customize the color or anything like that. Now, the video isn't going to do it justice because this blue really pops in person. Now, I didn't tell you that all the watch faces are free for the taking as of this video being made. So make sure you download ASAP because this can change at any given time. Now, what you're going to get with the watch face is, of course, your date, your water intake, your coffee intake. You're going to get your heart rate information at the top. You're going to get your step info over here. And you're going to get your digital time in a unique way. Not a bad deal. Now, it is interactive. You can't go into your water intake. You can't go into your coffee intake. And that's about it. But for a casual free watch face, this is not bad. What do you think? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, last but not least, this is watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is called S.39. It is also a good look. The watch face is geared toward fitness as well. You're going to get the same look as you did with watch face number 1 and 2. Not a bad deal at all. But I like this look, right? It's a very casual, dress down watch face. It's geared toward fitness. You got a nice, unique, stacked digital time. You also got some colors going around the bezel of the watch that really complements it. Nice black background, and you're going to get your step info, going to get your heart rate info, and of course the day of the week and the day. So to me, I thought it was a good look, especially considering that it's free, and for a dress down wear, this is pretty nice. Now, the only inactiveness you're going to get with this one is your heart rate information. It's not going to give you your steps, but hey, for free, not bad. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys have a great day and or night. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.